I'm reading out of this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, and wow, this is cool. There's also a chapter in here, chapter 9, How to Use the Power of Your Subconscious Mind for Wealth. And I'm just going to read a couple pages out of here for you. If you are having financial difficulties, if you are trying to make ends meet, it means you have not convinced your subconscious mind that you will always have plenty and some to spare. You know men and women who work a few hours a week and make fabulous sums of money. They do not strive or slave hard. Do not believe the story that the only way you can become wealthy is by the sweat of your brow and hard labor. It is not so. The effortless way of life is the best. Do the thing you love to do. I like that part there. Do the thing you love to do, and do it for the joy and thrill of it. I know an executive in Los Angeles who receives a six-figure salary. Last year he went on a 9-month cruise, seeing the world and its beauty spots. He said to me that he had succeeded in convincing his subconscious mind that he is worth that much money. He told me that there are people in his organization earning about 1/10 as much as he does, who know more about the business than he does and could probably manage it better. However, they have no ambition and no creative ideas. They are not interested in the wonders of their subconscious mind. Wealth is ultimately nothing more than a subconscious conviction on the part of the individual. You will not become a millionaire by saying, I am a millionaire, I am a millionaire. You will grow into a wealth consciousness by building into your mentality the idea of wealth and abundance. The trouble with most people is that they have no invisible means of support. When business falls away, the stock market drops, or they take a loss on their investments, they seem helpless. The reason for such insecurity is that they do not know how to tap the subconscious mind. They are unacquainted with the inexhaustible storehouse within. Someone with a poverty-type mind finds himself in poverty-stricken conditions. Someone else with a mind filled with ideas of wealth is surrounded by everything he needs. It was never intended that we should lead a life of indigence. You can have wealth, everything you need, and plenty to spare. Your words have power to cleanse your mind of wrong ideas and to instill right ideas in their place. Perhaps you are saying as you read this chapter, I need wealth and success. This is what you do. Repeat to yourself for about 5 minutes, 3 or 4 times a day, wealth, success. These words have tremendous power. They represent the inner power of the subconscious mind. Anchor your mind on this substantial power within you. Then, conditions and circumstances corresponding to their nature and quality will be manifested in your life. You are not saying, I am wealthy. You are dwelling on real powers within you. There is no conflict in the mind when you say wealth. Furthermore, the feeling of wealth will well up within you as you dwell on the idea of wealth. The feeling of wealth produces wealth. Keep this in mind at all times. Your subconscious mind is like a bank, a sort of universal financial institution. It magnifies whatever you deposit or impress upon it, whether it is the idea of wealth or of poverty. Choose wealth. That's what I kind of do at night when I get ready for bed or when I'm in bed. In a sleepy state, I will say wealth 3 times, success 3 times, and I forgot that it says here you can repeat it during the day 3 or 4 times a day if you have to for 5 minutes. You know how long 5 minutes is when you say wealth, success? Try it. That's a lot of times of saying wealth and success. Just say it, close your eyes, feel it. Just feel it and imagine it. And your mind is going to start attracting what you feel about it and what you put out there. Try that next time. And man, if you get the chance, please get this book, read this section on how to use the power of your subconscious mind for wealth. And it has all kinds of other different things in here that will help you throughout your life. Change your life by changing your thoughts. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.